Healthy Grilling, a guide to tasty and nutritious barbecue recipes. Today, we're diving into the world of healthy grilling. We have some fantastic advice and recipes to make your grilling sessions delicious and nutritious, regardless of whether you're a barbecue expert or just starting off. So grab your tongs and apron, and let's get grilling. Before we go further, remember to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button below, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends or on your social media platforms. Now let's dive back into the video. Tip number 1, choose lean proteins. First up, let's talk proteins. If you're looking to make your barbecue healthier, start by choosing lean proteins. Think turkey, skinless chicken breast, and fish like salmon or tilapia. These options are low in saturated fats, but packed with essential nutrients. Chicken breast is versatile and absorbs spices beautifully, while turkey adds a unique flavor. And don't forget about fish. It's high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are fantastic for heart health. Tip number 2, marinate for flavor and health. Marinating isn't just about adding flavor. It's also a way to make your meals healthier. A good marinade includes acids like vinegar or citrus juices, which help tenderize the meat by breaking down those tough fibers. Plus, herbs and spices like oregano, rosemary, and turmeric not only boost flavor, but also add health benefits. So the next time you fire up that grill, try marinating your meat for extra taste and nutritional value. Tip number 3, grill those vegetables. Who says grilling is only for meats? Vegetables can be just as amazing on the grill. Bell peppers, corn, zucchini, mushrooms, and asparagus get a smoky flavor and a lovely char that brings out their natural sweetness. Try making veggie skewers with cherry tomatoes, bell peppers, and onions. Or grill some sweet potato slices for a savory sweet combo. Grilled veggies aren't just colorful and tasty, they're a nutritious addition to any barbecue spread. Tip number 4, grill seafood for omega-3s. Seafood is another fantastic option for the grill, especially if you're looking to boost your omega-3 intake. Grilled salmon or shrimp are both delicious and packed with heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. Marinate salmon in lemon juice, olive oil, and dill for a tasty and nutritious dish. Shrimp skewers with garlic-infused olive oil are another easy and flavorful option. Grilling fish like trout or sardines can add variety to your barbecue and keep your meals heart-healthy. Tip number 5, grill veggie burgers for plant-based protein. Plant-based grilling can be just as satisfying as traditional barbecue. Try making veggie burgers at home using quinoa, black beans, and assorted vegetables. They'll get a delightful smokiness from the grill. Grilled tofu is another great option, marinated in soy sauce, ginger, and garlic for a tasty treat. You can also experiment with grilling portobello mushrooms or cauliflower steaks for a hearty and healthy addition to your barbecue. Tip number 6, whole grains on the grill. Let's not forget about whole grains. They're a great way to add fiber and nutrients to your meal. Grilling whole grain bread or wraps can add a delicious smoky flavor. Brush slices of whole grain bread with olive oil and grill until crispy for a crunchy side dish. You can even try grilled whole grain pizza crusts topped with veggies and lean proteins for a healthy twist on pizza night. Tip number 7, choose smart sides and condiments. When it comes to sides and condiments, think healthy. Swap out calorie-laden options for lighter, nutrient-packed choices. Create a vibrant salad with mixed greens and colorful grilled veggies, and use homemade dressings made from herbs and olive oil. For a zesty topping, mix chopped tomatoes, onions, and cilantro with a squeeze of lime. Greek yogurt could be a great substitute for mayonnaise, and a little honey can sweeten up mustard without the added sugars. These smart choices will not only enhance your meal, but also boost its nutritional profile. Grilling safety tips. Before we wrap up, let's talk safety. Always keep raw meats separate from other foods to avoid cross-contamination. Use different tools and cutting boards for raw and cooked items. Make sure your meat reaches the right internal temperatures, 145 degrees Fahrenheit for whole cuts and 165 degrees Fahrenheit for ground meats and poultry. Avoid charring or burning meats too much, as this can produce harmful chemicals. Opt for lean cuts and frequent turning to reduce these risks. Refreshing and healthy beverages. Lastly, stay hydrated with refreshing, healthy drinks. Water infused with slices of citrus fruits, cucumber, or mint is a great way to stay hydrated and adds a burst of flavor. Herbal iced teas like peppermint or chamomile are also excellent alternatives to sugary drinks. You can even get creative with berry-infused iced green tea or lemonade with a hint of honey and basil. These beverages will keep you refreshed and complement your summer barbecue perfectly. We hope these tips and recipes inspire you to make your BBQs more tasty and nutritious. Remember, grilling can be both delicious and good for you. Happy grilling this summer! If you like this video, please press the subscribe button for more health-related advice and insights. Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. We appreciate your time, and we'll see you next time. Be healthy and keep flourishing.